Hello and welcome. Today I'm gonna be showing you how to set up your Canva website. First, what you need to do is to log into your Canva account and then go to your documents. The first one, when you find the Meet Me template, click on the link. Here you will be directed to the template. In this template you can change anything you want. You can change the text, you can change the colors, you can change the fonts, you can add images or remove images if you want. Do not do anything to the links yet, since we have to edit the other templates and then come back here to add the links to the home page. This will be your home page. Every single thing will be linked to this page. What you want to do is to keep working in this mid area. I'll show you in the preview. This is the desktop size. Most likely parents at open house won't be using a desktop but a mobile device, so we're going to be working with that size. That's why we need to keep working in the middle of the page. Do not let any elements move around, because that's gonna move around things when they open the website in their smartphone. There's a link for your phone number, email. When you edit your email, keep the mail to tag and add yours there. And I added a link to an Amazon wish list. But you can change any of this information, add the information you want. Once you have decided how you want to look, how you want this page to look like, you click on Publish Website, and you're going to be the option to type a name to your website. I'm going to do Mrs. Cortez 5. That's my 5th grade class. So this is what I'm gonna be using as my URL. I publish website, and that's it. This is the link you're gonna copy and paste in all the different templates you're gonna be working on now. Let's go back to our document, and then you go to About Me template. Use template for new design. Here I'm gonna delete that copy of. That's optional. That's my personal preference. And again, you can edit any of the information you have here. Just be mindful to stay in this middle area. Home, you're gonna copy the link Mrs. Cortez 5, that's mine. I'm gonna copy that and I'm gonna edit the link that you have in your template for my own one. Mrs. Cortez 5. And that's it. As you can see here, you will see that when there's a link, it will underline the word. I don't like it that way, so I just click on underline and it will remove it, but the link will be still intact. So that's for that link. Change any information you need to, all the text, your photo, and once it's done, you publish website. You see here, it's gonna be your home address with the ending About Me. That's your page. Publish website. You copy this link and you go back to your Meet Me homepage. Close this. You edit design. About Me. Here you can add your new link. Click on the pencil. Click on the pencil. Delete the old link and add the new one. Again, that line, I will remove it. Remember, you can type here anything you want, and you can change the name of the templates as well as the information that you're gonna have there. I come back here, go supplies, use template for new design. And here you can edit all the information you have here. Images, colors, size. Don't forget to edit your links at the bottom and at the top. here I will add the address I created, that was Mrs. Cortez 5, my Canva site. I will remove this, and once it's ready, I'm gonna click publish website. I'll remove this copy off and publish website. You see here it shows copy of supplies. You can leave it like that, but otherwise you can edit your URL. I leave it as supplies, publish website, and there's your link. You copy that, go back to Meet Me, and edit your link. Delete the old one and paste the new one. Remove this. Okay, now we're going to the schedule template. Click on schedule template. Use template for new design, and you're gonna follow the same process. Edit all the information you need to edit, links, shapes, colors. Edit your main link. Mine is Mrs. Cortez 5. Done. And once you feel it's ready, you publish website. Okay. Delete the copy off here and publish website. Copy, go to Meet Me again, schedule, and you edit your link. Finally, we have the parent forms. Again, edit your link at the top. And here I have added 4 options to link your own Google Forms or any forms you have. I have Google Forms because that's what the school district provides me, so I'm linking to those forms. Don't forget to edit your options at the bottom. Make any changes, any edits you need to, and once it's ready, click here, publish website. Once you get the hang of it, it's going to be really smooth and easy. Go back to Meet Me, edit your link, and now all the links have been added here to your home page. So you're going to publish your website again. That's it. This is the link you're going to use to create your QR code. Once you have that QR code, you can use the welcome slide template, this one here, to add that code. This is the slide I keep in the front of my classroom, projected on my smart board with the QR link, so everybody that comes to the room knows what to scan, and I can be with the kids, meeting the kids. So add your information, change everything, add your QR code, and then you can download it as PNG, PDF, or PPTX and project it as you want in your classroom. Then we have the welcome letters. I keep print copies of these letters so parents, families can take home and get to know me a little bit better once they're home. You can edit, change colors, fonts, anything you want, and then you can download as PDF and print as many copies as you need. And lastly, we have the bookmarks, and this is something that is a gift for the kids. I usually add the names of the kids here, and that's it. I download them as PNGs. Then in a PowerPoint document or Word document, I add maybe 4 per page and print them in cardstock. I hope these templates really help you, just as they have helped me with my open houses. Thank you very much for watching.